How to use Pinterest affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing and how you can do affiliate marketing and earn commission by using Pinterest. It's super easy and you can actually use Pinterest. You will not require any business account or you don't need to sign up as an affiliate on Pinterest. You will be using your own Pinterest account that you have to promote different products and do affiliate marketing and simply earning your commission and the maximum profit. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to pinterest.com and you will land on this platform right here. Pinterest is an amazing social media and a search engine where you can simply go ahead and pin your interest. There are different images and videos that we can pin to our boards, and they are known as pins, and we simply add them to our boards. So, do you know that you can actually do affiliate marketing with Pinterest? Pinterest has a lot of audience. Billions of people use Pinterest for their inspiration, to get new idea, to get outfit ideas, to buy new products. And the people scrolling on Pinterest and searching on Pinterest are actually potential buyers. And that's what we are going to be using, and we will actually use this audience to promote our affiliate products so that we can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So let's get started with our affiliate tutorial. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the first thing is finding the right product that you need to affiliate for. So what you have to do is simply go to any affiliate marketing platform. So I have opened up digistore24.com. Digistore is one of the affiliate marketing platforms, and it's really easy to use, and it has one of the best affiliate marketing products and programs. So that is why I'm going to be using Digistore24. So I am right now in the marketplace for Digistore24, and you can see right here we have different categories to choose from. I can go for any type of product such as digital products and business and investment, computer, dance, education, fitness and health, games and fun, languages, anything I want to. So what you have to do is you simply select a product. How affiliate marketing works? There are two things. You can either go ahead and sign up as a seller or a vendor on any of the affiliate marketing platforms, and you simply create a product that people sell for you. And then you can actually sign up as an affiliate and you promote different products. That's what we are going to be doing. We will be promoting the products that are already there. Let's say I want to promote this one right here. So you can see right here the average price is $445. The commission is going to be 50%. That's actually pretty amazing. Earnings and sale 185. Then we have vendor right here. We have billing types, and then we have card conversion, that is 3%. So I will be earning 50% of commission with this one. So this is actually pretty amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this product. Now what I have to do is simply click on promote now, and it will actually give me my own affiliate link. That's what we needed, and that's what we will be working with. So now what you have to do is simply go to your Pinterest, and on Pinterest I will be creating a new pin. That is how you do affiliate marketing. That is how you do anything on Pinterest, by creating a pin. So now I will simply click on create a pin, and we will create new pin right here that will involve the affiliate link for my product that I have selected, and it will have all the information that I need. So now what I have to do is, you can see right here, drag and drop, click upload your image. This is really important. We can go ahead and add an image or a video to Pinterest, and that is how we simply introduce our product to our audience. For example, if we go back for a minute, let me actually show you how people sell their products on Pinterest and how they do affiliate marketing. So you can create a pin and you show your product in your pin. Okay, there you go. You can see right here. Now, this person might be selling a course or maybe an online lecture or a software that they are selling, and that is how they are promoting their product right here. We need to do is we need to create an image like this. What you can do is you can simply go to any of the platforms. If you know any editor, you can simply go ahead and open up any editor and just add the image for this product right here. How to get the images for your products, how to get the information. There you go. Simply click on sales page. Wherever you will go, any platform that you are using, it's okay, you will actually find their sales page when you will find a product, and then you will get all the information about it. So you can get, of course, you will be promoting their product, and when you will get an affiliate link, that means you will have access to everything. So what you need to do is you need to create an attractive pin. That's really important on Pinterest, because Pinterest is all about the attractive pins. So what you can do is you can create this amazing and aesthetically pleasing pin. You can use canva.com, you can use any editor to create. You can see right here they have said 13 best beauty products, and they're from the same company right here. So what they're doing right now is they're actually promoting their products, and they're selling these products, so people will check out this pin. It's a attractive looking pin, giving us information, big title. So they will simply click right here and check it out, go to the website and buy this product. That's what we need to do as well. So when you will be creating a new pin, you need to create an attractive image right here that you will add for your product. Or another way now we can do is we can add a video on Pinterest, a short video, so you can review the product that you are promoting, and that will actually help you create a pin on Pinterest. So you will simply add it right here, your video or your audio, whatever you want to add, and after that you will add a title. Now when it comes to title, so you need to add a title which is SEO friendly and has the right keywords. When it comes to promoting a product, let's say this is my product right here. So I need to add the keywords such as best YouTube courses, monetization for YouTube courses. Then I can go for others as well. So this is how you simply go ahead and add different keywords. And then we simply need to add, description for our pin. Make sure that your description is also very SEO friendly. And then of course we have an alt text. This actually allows us to add up to 500 words, and we can add any words we want to. And alt text is actually the kind of option available on Pinterest now that works on the SEO. And we know that Pinterest actually works as a search engine as well. So people actually search different things on Pinterest, just like Google. So if you have the right keywords, then your product and your promotion will land in the highest of the results, and then you will be able to attract the audience and sell your product or promote the product that you're doing affiliate marketing for. And then you simply add the destination link. In here, I can add the sales page link. You can see right here, the page that we opened. So this is going to be my destination link if I want to add. Well, when it comes to promoting a product, you don't need to add directly the sales page, but we have the option to add a destination link. So we can simply go ahead and add it so that people can check out our product, and then we will be able to promote the product. And again, when you promote a product, you will be able to sell it, and with each sale, I will be making 50% of this product. I will be earning 50% of the commission, and I will earn $185 with the sale, which is pretty amazing. All I did is use Pinterest to do affiliate marketing to promote my products, and this way I will be able to make the maximum profit and earn a lot of money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing and how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.